Hey there. The other day I did a video showing you how you could use Insight Factory to search for trending products and use it to get product ideas for your shop. And while we were looking through Tumbler apps, I saw a couple Tumbler apps that I really liked for Halloween and the fall season. So I thought we would do that today in a video. We are going to make the sugar skull tumbler, and then maybe if we have time we might do the skull one here too. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my Midjourney account in one window. I have my Ideogram in another window. Okay, and finally I have Kittle in another tab. All right, and I have all three of them open because even using the same prompt, all three of them will give me very different results. And I want to, you know, compare the three of them and see which one I like best. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go back over here and we're going to look at this sugar skull tumbler wrap. All right. And we are going to come up with a basic prompt for it. There you can be as detailed or as basic in your prompts. It's up to you. I'm just going to look at this image and see what I see in it and put it in my prompt, and we'll go from there. All right. So we want, I am going to go for a aesthetic watercolor image of a woman. And we're just going to go with a beautiful woman in beautiful sugar skull makeup. Her She should be shown from the shoulders up, facing forward. Flowers and butterflies in the, let me move this over so you can read it more. Let's make it smaller. There we go. There we go. In the background, and color palette, teal and purple. All right. Yeah, okay. That's basic, okay? We are going to use this. All right, now, the first thing we're going to do is now go to Midjourney. We're going to paste it in there. All right, we're going to go to Ideogram, and we're going to paste this really basic prompt in there. And we're going to do the same thing in Kittle. Paste it all in there. And in Kittle, I am going to choose oil painting as my image style. And I'm going to click generate. All right, we're going to see what we get back here. All right. And it takes just a minute for these to generate. Okay, they have all generated their images according to my prompt. Now we can look at them and see if there is anything we like here. I really like this one. I think that's really pretty. It's completely different than the image we looked at over here. But it is still a very nice sugar skull image that would make a really, really nice tumbler wrap. So let's look at this one. I really like this one. I think that's really nice. That's Midjourney. Let's go over here and check out Ideogram, what it came up with. That's really nice. And that one's really pretty too. I like that. I think I like this one so far the best. Look at that. Yes, I think this is the one I like the most so far. And let's see what Kittle came up with. And Kittle's is really nice too. The only thing I don't care for is I wish Kittle's had the woman centered a little bit more, but that's okay. Now I want to show you something that's really cool about Ideogram. I gave it a really basic prompt here, right? Aesthetic watercolor image of a woman in beautiful sugar skull makeup, blah, blah, blah. Now, Ideogram will take that basic prompt and give me a much more in-depth one. So if we copy that now, we can take that more in-depth prompt and we can put it into Ideogram, have it regenerate. We can take it to Kittle, get rid of our basic prompt, add this very in-depth one, and we did the same thing in Midjourney. And let's see what happens now. Okay, it is done generating now. So let's look at this new set that we got from the more in-depth prompt. I like that one. I like that one. That one is really nice, and so is that. I really like these butterflies. Let's look what Ideogram came up with the second time. I like that one. That one. That one. All right. I honestly, and here is the new one from Kittle. Honestly, I think at the end of the day, I like either, let's go back here. I like this one, and I like I like this one. Let's take a look. That one's really cute too, though. This one is really nice. I think at the end of the day, though, I like this one the best. So we are going to take this image, right, and we are going to download it. And we're going to send it to work in progress. And we are going to send it to Tumbler test. And Sugar Skull Woman. We're going to save that. All right. Now, what we are going to do is go into Photoshop. And this is one I was working on earlier. So let's add a new layer there. Get rid of this one. And now we can bring that. Let's go to Tumbler test. Where are we? There we are. Let's grab our sugar skull. We'll drop that in there. Okay, now we want to, okay, make sure snap is on. Okay. Now we're going to pull it from each side till it matches up, because this is my perfect size for my tumbler here. This is my 9.2 8x3. Okay, so we have that on there, and we are going to now get rid of this. All right, now what we're going to do is make this seamless. Okay, so we are going to drag this image over to the left until it snaps into the center, to the right side of the image. And we're going to duplicate it, do the same thing on this side. All right, and I'm going to go pretty fast because I do have a different video out there showing you how to do this, how to make a seamless pattern. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over that. So we're going to make this seamless. And I will leave a link for the video showing you how to do, how to turn any image seamless below. Okay, and that did it. Let me look here and see if there's a better option. Let's generate again. I mean, they all were okay, but see if I can get anything better by generating it again. All right, I think I like that one. Okay. So now we'll go over here, select all these, merge them, right, and now we once again, A, J, deliver. Now we are going to once again move these, snap it to center, snap it to center, you have your image put back, select all, merge layers. Okay, now you have your Tumbler wrap. Let's export that as a PNG, and we are just going to straight sugar skull woman, and that's that. Now you have your Tumbler design. You can now create your mock-ups. I'm just going to do a real quick mock-up here for you. Drag that in. And again, if it doesn't quite fit, you just drag it out. This is just for the mock-up. It's no big deal. Save. And there is your mock-up, and it looks great. So you just save this, put it in a zip file, upload it to your Etsy shop, and it is done. But that is how quickly and easily we can make a sugar skull tumbler wrap for our Etsy shop. Okay, and you know what? We had a lot of different images that were generated. So, you know, I just picked one here, but you could absolutely do a bundle with, you know, 3, 4, 5 different different ones in the bundle. I mean, this one here would make a really pretty tumbler too. The same way with this first generation that we did, that would make a great tumbler as well. You know, these are just really beautiful images no matter what, so you can use any of them. This one is really pretty. You know, so you, like I said, you could absolutely make a bundle of tumbler wraps with the images that you generated. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Start working on those fall and Halloween designs. It is June. It is time to start getting those listings up in your shops. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.